A lot of you have been asking how I animate these titles in Davinci Resolve. Hey, it's John Bear, so happy to see your beautiful face, and today I'm gonna show you how to get these animated titles in Davinci Resolve super fast. And check it out, I'm in Iceland, but that doesn't matter because it's time for 3-Minute Thursday. So when I first switched from Premiere Pro to Davinci Resolve, the biggest struggle I had was that it was a lack of resources in terms of like supported animations and stuff to use. At the time I was using Storyblocks, and Storyblocks is a great site, love it. But they don't have any resources for Davinci Resolve. That's why I am proud to tell you about Envato Elements. Envato Elements is giving Storyblocks a run for its money with a massive library of resources from stock footage, music, video templates, animations, you name it. And best of all, they support Davinci Resolve. So if you want to get animated titles for Davinci Resolve, all you gotta do is sign up for Envato Elements, find a title that you like and download it. Find the settings files and copy them into this folder here. Open up Davinci Resolve and you will find them in your titles list. Find a title that you like, drag it onto your timeline, and now in the inspector you can change all the effects of this animation, such as color, size, you name it. It's so easy. It can't be this easy. Everybody's gonna be using amazing motion graphics after this video. I can't believe it. But that's not it. With Envato Elements you can use so many different things. You got yourself stock footage, music, sound effects. Pretty much anything you would possibly need is contained within this one service. And best of all, they have the fusion elements as well for Davinci Resolve. So for example, the intro that I use for 3-Minute Thursday, you guessed it, it's from Envato Elements. Simply change your search parameters to include Davinci Resolve and openings and fusion, and then there you go. Find one that you like and download it, and then just customize it inside Davinci Resolve. You don't need a second program. The fact that you can do all of this in Davinci Resolve just blows my mind. Like, I was used to using Premiere Pro, where I had to use Adobe After Effects separately to do my special effects, and then sort of like render it out and then drag it back into Premiere Pro. That's not the case anymore. Now you do it directly in Davinci Resolve, and I couldn't be more stoked about this. Now, of course, Envato Elements costs a bit of money. It's a subscription service, so actually, before making this video, I decided to reach out to them and ask them if they have an affiliate link for me available. And I was super lucky that they checked out my channel, checked out my content, and decided that I would be a great representative for them. That's right, I have an affiliate link for Envato Elements, and I'm super proud to share it with you today. So if you decide to sign up and you use my link, then you will support the John Bear channel at the same time. And if you're using Davinci Resolve, I highly encourage you to sign up with Envato Elements, because there simply is no other resource online that covers Davinci Resolve so extensively. Boom, that's it. How did I do on time? Whoa, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Once again, I am John Bear. If you like this type of content, definitely consider subscribing down below. And if you like this video, I challenge you to share it with one of your friends, because I am sure they will like it as well. Check me out on Instagram or Twitter, depending on which one you like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.